Have you ever had these thoughts? Why do I feel worse than others? Why does my family always compare me to someone else? Maybe I haven't done anything worth praising, or perhaps I don't have the right mindset to succeed. If these questions resonate with you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll teach you how truly successful people think and help you take the steps to change your life. But remember, my words alone won't change your life. Your life changes when you start applying what I say, so let's get started. Fixed mindset versus growth mindset. There are the key concepts that shape how we think. Fixed mindset: I'm either good or bad at something. I can either do it or I can't. Growth mindset: I might not be good at this right now, but that doesn't mean I can't improve. With effort and experience, I can grow. Why does this difference matter? Because a fixed mindset keeps you stuck. For example, thinking, I can't learn coding because I'm bad at it, will make you give up. But a growth mindset says, I'm not good at coding yet, but I can identify my weaknesses and improve. This difference isn't just about how you think. It's about how you live your life. Is failure really failure? Maybe failure isn't as bad as you think. In fact, losing can be one of the greatest gains. Why? Because our mistakes are our best learning opportunities. For example, imagine you take a test and score 8/10. Most people would think, great, I got 8 right. But someone with a growth mindset would say, I got 2 wrong, which means I have to new things to learn. Instead of focusing only on success, view your mistakes as stepping stones for growth. Are you lazy, unsuccessful, or misunderstood? Do you believe successful people are naturally gifted? Maybe you're not seeing the hard work they put in behind the scenes. Here's the truth: success is never about talent. Success equals time spent working times efficiency of that work. No matter how good you are at something, you must keep working on it to improve continuously. Learn from a 1-year-old. Have you ever noticed how toddlers constantly ask questions? Why is this? What does that do? And yet, we often dismiss their curiosity. But children are teaching us something profound. Question everything in life. Are you failing? Why? Are you not improving? Why? Every answer brings you closer to the solution. Say, I haven't succeeded yet. Replace I failed with I haven't succeeded yet. Why? Because as long as you're alive, you have another chance to achieve what you truly want. Don't waste the opportunity. Compare yourself to yourself. Your most important benchmark should be your past self. Focusing on other successes can overshadow your own potential. If you're one step ahead of where you were yesterday, you're on the right path. Remember, the person who will create change in your life is you. Now it's time to put these ideas into action and witness your own growth. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. And never forget, you haven't started yet, but you can.